Ever wonder why the sky looks blue? Or why a shirt looks red to you? Let's dive inside the world of light, where colors glow so pure and bright. Three cups lined up in a row. Red, yellow, blue, watch the colors flow. Paper towels bridge each space, capillary actions taking place. Water creeps up, mixes through. Yellow meets red, what do you view? Orange appears before your eyes. Science makes a sweet surprise. Oh, red and yellow, orange is born. Blue with red, a purple's form. Mix with care and you will see green grows out of blue plus yellow brightly. Now shine a prism into white. It splits apart in bands of light. Red to violet, 7 strong, all inside that beam all along. But when the colors of light combine, they form pure white, a dazzling shine. Your eyes are helpers, cones that see. Red, green, and blue, a magic 3. They mix the signals in your brain to paint the world a bright terrain. Close your eyes, then look again. After images might remain. Pour some milk and add food dye. Touch with soap, now watch it fly. Surface tension runs away. Colors dance and swirl in play. Rainbows arch and beetles gleam. Artists mix their color dreams. Screens glow bright with RGB. From nature's hues to your TV. So now you know what colors do. In pigments, light and dye, so true. Look around, there's more to learn. When colors mix, the world will